Let's use these recycled materials to make a underwater volcano summit. Cover it all up with some black paint to make it look like some lava rock, then cover it with some moss to give it that realistic look. Glue it down to make sure it's all in place once you like where it's laying. Then we're going to use some red yarn and drape it in to find the length. Then we're going to glue the cluster together and drape the yarn over the top of the summit and start gluing down your cute shells and elements of the sea. Then I sprinkled some glitter over the top just to give it that sparkly shine you know and love from the ocean vibes. Beautiful. Then we're just going to glue on some recycled straw pieces to make it kind of look like barnacles or coral or whatever you want it to look like. And there you have it, a really cute craft to learn about underwater volcanoes.